Philippines continue to mourn the death of at least 45 people who lost their lives after the passage of two storms in the Asian archipelago. This is according to the latest assessment done on Sunday by the authorities. For a week, the Typhoon Melo and Onyok tropical depressions have hit the country, causing floodings in most regions. According to the Civil Protection Services, several areas still flooded due to the heavy rains that have continued to fall in the entire region. In northern Manila, water level reached up to 3 meters, forcing people to take refuge in places of worship that have raised grounds. In total, more than 54,000 people were housed in emergency shelters set up by the Philippine government. Scientists attribute the occurrence of these storms in the recent years to climatic change.